Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe here. Really on the final test on this machine. We got a type bar that's sticking. Didn't realize it until I got it all back together here, but looks like the R is sticking up here right there. And so took a quick look already, and it's not sticking right against the roller. You can see that when I push it, it still goes to the roller right there. See that? So it's catching on the side of this guide somewhere. I think it's on the left side here. And it's not quite centered, so it needs to be bent or formed over a little bit, but it still must have a burr, I think, on that type bar right there. Some type of anomaly on that metal part right below the slug on this type bar. So I'm just going to run the file over that real quick and file that down a little bit. So usually I have the machine apart when I do this job, but so I want to file right here on the side, right where it touches the type guide. So I just got a nice fine file here. I'm going to try to grab this bar, put the lid on here still, and see if I can do this. And we're just going to run this right on the side here and see if there's any burrs on here that can get knocked off. I can also use a Dremel tool for this too, but I think that's all I'm going to do right there. Let's see if that. Let's see, it's still sticking. It almost has a little click to it. So I'm going to do a little more. I'm going to focus more right here on the edge. I don't think I was getting a very good grip on this. Didn't feel much material coming off. Let's try that. It's still sticking. Let's see if it needs to be centered a little better. So I'm gonna bend that over and center it, but still feels like it's catching right there. I'm going to do the other side too. It could be the other side even. You never know. Look, I was going to say, there it was. Okay, well, I guess maybe it was on the other side. Because now there's no kink there or anything. Comes right out of there. So there must have just been a little burr on the side of that bar. That was not visible with the naked eye. And that's all it takes. Just a little file job. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.